Hello viewers, Flipkart's Freedom Sale is going to start on 8th of August 2026. If you are a Plus or Black member, in that case you will get 24 hours early access. So if you are planning to buy any tablet during August sale or Freedom Sale in Flipkart.com, this is one of the greatest chances that you are getting, but I don't think that you will get much discount in this Freedom Sale because Big Billion Days are approaching in the month of September last or October 1st. So in that sale you will get the maximum discount. In that Big Billion Days sale you will get two types of discounts. The first discount will be decreased price and the second discount will be on card offers. You will get instant discount on credit card, but in this Freedom Sale the price will be on the higher side, and also some of the tablets are being sold at a very high price tag, which is not recommended to buy that tablet. So my suggestions to you is to make a list of tablets that you are planning to buy, and if you get the pricing only then make the purchase. And if you want to buy any tablet, get ready at the earliest opportunity, because when the sale will start, that time will the best time to buy any tablet, because the price of tablets will gradually increase. Flipkart has not yet mentioned which cards will be eligible for discount in this Freedom Sale. I will let you know as soon as I get the news. Also, I will make you aware about the best deals and offers, and if you are planning to buy any tablet, the first thing that you have to do is to know the best price of each and every tablet. Only then you can make the purchase, otherwise you will pay a tablet at a very higher price tag, and after that you will definitely repent. Now let me know in the comment sections below which tablet or iPad you are planning to buy in this Freedom Sale. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.